Hello and welcome to the course. In today's lecture, we will learn about another function that we use for the filtering purpose. So let's write one query in SQL. Select static from products where color is equal to red. If I just write this query, it gives me 397 rows, and when I use in the where clause, it's give me 63 rows, and here you can see all the red colors. And then the second condition will be and class is equal to m, and here we are getting 10 rows. Here you can see class m. So we need to achieve the same result in DAX. So let's go to the DAX Studio, and here I have executed the product table, and it has 397 rows. So we had already learned that how to filter with the help of filter function, but today we will use calculate table function. So calculate table works the same like calculate function. Calculate table, and here we have to give one table name, that is name, that is product, and then we have to write filter, that products color is equal to red, and products class is equal to m. That's all. Close it, and now we need to execute, and here you can see we are getting 10 rows. So you can use the same function that we had already learned, like add column, select column, to only select few columns of your choice and then apply these filters as exercise. So calculate table is performance wise, it is very fast.